Take command of the road in the 2012 Toyota Highlander. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power trunk closing assist, delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rear parking sensors, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.